a mom this morning was telling me about a thing that she does with her son who has difficult drop-offs, which I thought was kind of cute, which I thought I would share, which is because the separation aspect of drop-off is what's hard, the saying goodbye is the hard bit. She calls it 5 seconds of brave. And she also, that we just have to do 5 seconds where we're brave. And then it's, sort of a rip the Band-Aid off, that in those 5 seconds we're brave. We do our breathing and off you go. And, I'll see you at pickup. And then the breathing that she does is mountain breathing, she calls it. And so she takes her hand with the mountains on it. And she goes in for, up one mountain, breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. And so then she sort of goes like this. And so then there's like the visual to say to him, this is what we do to help us get into school. We do our mountain breathing and we have our 5 seconds of brave. I've never heard it before. I thought it was cute.